Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to play chess on Duolingo app. So Duolingo app has recently launched its new feature which is to learn the chess game. So if you're interested, simply open the Duolingo app and then you have to create an account. If you already have one, then you can do a login and then you will go to this section. Whatever language you're learning, it will take you to that page. Now on the top left you will see the flag of any country. Whatever language you're learning, you have to click onto it, and in new courses you will find this one which is called chess. You can also see it says new. In case you couldn't find it, then you only have to update your game from the Google Play Store or App Store, and then you will have the option for chess. Then first it will ask you that how much chess do you know. So you can choose the answer as per your preferences, and then it will ask you where would you like to start. Again, select these options based on your choice, and after that it will start teaching you the chess. Here the game has started and you have to follow the instruction that is being done on your screen. Whatever it says, you have to only do it, then you will be able to learn it. Basically it is teaching you how you can play the chess and how every object in your game does its performance. So you have to only follow it, and if you go any wrong it will show you, then you can correct it. Basically that's it. This is how you can play it. You can play it all the time whenever you would like to, and you will learn the chess game. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.